So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to scroll down and expand Windows. You want to expand Windows, and now you want to expand current version, and now you want to click on shared access. You want to scroll down until you find shared access. You want to click on this folder, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're in here, you just want to right click on the blank space, and then click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to name this as enable reboot persist connection. Use the exact same capitals and lowercase with no space as I did, and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on this, enable reboot persist connection. Make sure that the base is on hexadecimal, and then change the value data to 1. So it's going to be 0, you want to delete that, and then make it 1, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time, and then click on I on your keyboard. Now you need to look for internet connection sharing. It's going to be right here. You want to double click on this, internet connection sharing. The service name is now going to say shared access, but it's going to be display name internet connection sharing. Now you want to change the startup type to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.